Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and say hello to spring with the cutest iPhone 14 cover. So this is the clear Unov iPhone 14 Plus case, and I'm really happy with and in love with the flower embossed design. It's so elegant and happy and springy, and I really love that it has raised edges around the perimeter of the phone, so it really helps to protect my screen as well as my lenses. So this case really is soft, slim, and protective of my cell phone. Yellow is my favorite color, so when I saw that the iPhone 14 came in yellow, I had to get it, and I knew I had to get a clear, beautiful case, and I'm so happy that I found this one, and that's my point of view.